मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं 10-15 मिनट पहले ही सो के उठी हूँ एंड लास्ट नाइट आई डिड नॉट हैव डिनर, तो आई वोक अप रियली रियली हंग्री। तो ब्रेकफास्ट बनने में टाइम है, मुझे अभी ब्रेकफास्ट की इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी अरेंज करने पड़ेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द वाइट फूड चैलेंज। तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स हैव एन अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्नैक or anything just to fill up my stomach at least for 2 hours, and until then I can arrange for the breakfast, I can do my morning chores. And so for the early morning snack I have with me a glass of milk. This is plain milk, it has nothing in it, and some soaked almonds and a peeled banana, just for the white food challenge. Here we go. मैंने एक ग्लास दूध पी लिया, 1 बनाना एंड 4 सोक्ड आमंड्स. आई एम फुल फॉर नाउ, एटलीस्ट 2 घंटे के लिए तो आई एम फुल कम्प्लीटली. आई हैव फिनिश्ड 1 ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क, 4 सोक्ड आमंड्स एंड 1 बनाना. सो अभी इट्स 7:40 in the morning. I don't know if you can see. अभी it's 7:40 in the morning. Let me just finish up my work and I'll catch you for breakfast. So before we move to the actual meals, I thought मैं एक छोटा सा grocery haul करती हूँ. So I figured out that I need a few items white in color. So I went to the grocery just to buy these. So this is obviously white bread. मैं इसे breakfast के लिए use करूँगी and I'm obviously going to trim all the brown sides and then I'm going to use this. Then I have a mint. So this is Tic Tac. It was white in color, so I bought it. I thought, why not? And then I have corn flour. So corn flour and Milky Bar by Nestle. So the reason why I bought this, one, I love white chocolate. White chocolate is my weakness, so I thought, why not? And I'm going to make a dessert with this and this, so you'll get to see it later in the video. And I did not have any sort of beverage for this video, so I bought a white colored beverage. This is the Amul Smoothies collection in the flavor vanilla. So that is all I got from the grocery. बाकी सब घर पर है. So yeah, let's begin with making a breakfast for the day with the white bread. For breakfast I have some bread over here. मैंने sides काट दिए हैं इसके just so it remains white. So I have some cheese slices here. Okay, and along with this I'm going to have cheese toast sort of, and I also have white butter. So this is unsalted. It looks a bit yellow on the camera, but trust me, it's white. Okay, so I think I'm going to make a dish out of it. It's breakfast time. It's 10 in the morning, and as I said, I will be hungry by 10. So for breakfast I have the cheese toast that we just made, and we also have guava. Since it's white in color, मुझे पसंद भी है बहुत, and winter season, who doesn't eat guavas? Okay, so let's do a quick taste test. I don't even know मैं ये क्यों लाई. I'm not such a fancy person. I'm more of a desi person. Okay. Pretty good actually. I wish I could add some seasoning into it, maybe some pepper or some mixed herbs, but it's okay. I like it even this way. I enjoyed the breakfast and it was okay. It was not bad. I wouldn't say it was the best breakfast क्योंकि इसमें ना कोई herbs थे ना कोई seasoning थी. But I think it was fine because I love cheese. So मुझे चल गया. I also had guava with it, so I'm definitely feeling very, very good. Before moving on to the lunch, I think we're going to have a beverage or something. I have a vanilla smoothie. I don't know when I will finish it, so I think after this we'll have that. I have to head over to somewhere, so I'll come back home and then I'll shoot again. So I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, so my plan got cancelled. I did not head out anywhere, and so I cooked idli for myself and basically for everyone at home. मैंने बैटर की तैयारी कल ही कर ली थी and I was about to cook it anyway, but घर पे तो सांभर बना है सबके लिए और साथ में पुदीने मिर्ची की नारियल की चटनी बनी है, द ग्रीन वाली नारियल की चटनी. तो अब सिंस मेरा वाइट फूड चैलेंज है तो I have white chutney here. I don't know if you can see. These are idli and ये है नारियल और दही की चटनी, all white in a white plate as well. I think I completely forgot to review this and do a taste test. I am not habitual of having idli without sambar, तो मुझे definitely sambar मैंने बहुत miss किया. But I would say it was okayish and I filled up my stomach. I was so hungry. मैं कब videos देखते देखते I finished the entire plate. As you can see, just two bites are left. I'm full. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट हम शाम को चाय तो पी नहीं सकते, दूध दोबारा पियेंगे नहीं. आई थिंक वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दैट अमूल स्मूदी शाम को along with some evening snacks. So I'll catch you then. Hey everyone, so it's 4:30 and अब I'm craving something to drink. लंच किए हुए मुझे 2 घंटे हो चुके हैं. This अमूल स्मूदी, I must have shown this in the grocery haul. So this is in the flavor vanilla. Obviously it must be white. बस मैं इतना होप कर रही हूँ कि इसका टेस्ट ठीक हो. Let's try and taste it. Okay. Smells pretty good. Let's see. Oh, it's good. It's like vanilla ice cream and I love vanilla ice cream. मुझे vanilla और butterscotch के 2 flavors बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and it's basically the melted version of vanilla ice cream. तो ये तो I love it. Won't be finishing this. काफ़ी सारा है ये. This is 200 ml. I'm not going to drink that much. आधा ही पीऊँगी अभी. I have to make a few important phone calls, so I think I'm going to do that while having my drink. मैंने आधा पी गया है, इतना आई हैव ड्रंक. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. सो आई थिंक या दैट्स अबाउट इट फॉर द बेवरेज.
5 hours later.
हे यू गाइज, सो इट्स डिनर टाइम. मैं शाम को बहुत कुछ खाने वाली थी जैसे पॉपकॉर्न, चिप्स, मखाना, काजू, पर मुझे भूख ही नहीं लगी that Amul milkshake or smoothie, whatever it was so filling. मैंने आधी बॉटल पी थी वो 200 ml की, and मुझे अभी तक भी भूख नहीं लगी. Now I'm feeling कि it's getting late, so I should have my dinner on time. So for dinner I made white sauce pasta. I was looking forward to this meal the most because ये मेरा favorite है. ये जो है पास्ता, this is whole wheat pasta, because of which white color नहीं दिख रहा है. The sauce is completely white. If you can see, the sauce is white. So let's quickly do a taste test. It's good. The sauce is very creamy, yummy. ये one pot pasta है. Did I mention the entire cooking, even the pasta is cooked in the sauce itself. बहुत जल्दी बन गया ये as compared to the traditional method of making any pasta. So I'm really impressed with the cooking time. Also taste में कोई change नहीं है. Whichever way you make it, taste बिल्कुल वैसा आएगा. So I'm very happy with how it has turned out. I loved it so much. Actually मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद भी खाया and I absolutely love this. I don't know why, but I'm feeling like having something minty. And there is one product जो दिन भर यूज़ नहीं हुआ, जो मैं सुबह सुबह खरीद के लाई थी just for the sake of this white food challenge. Here we go. Tic Tac. I bought this because it was white. I would have rather preferred Polo. I forgot. अगर मुझे याद होता तो मैं टिक टैक की जगह पोलो लेकर आती. I completely forgot कि वो भी white होती है. Now what is left for the day is dessert. Dessert I have something good. So I'm gonna finish off all my work and रात में सोने के पहले we are going to have that dessert because अभी I'm full. अभी I cannot have anything and this dessert is going to be a little heavy. तो I'm keeping it रात के लिए.
5 hours later.
Hi you guys, I'm back. Very tired and I'm also craving for something sweet. So I've just made a dessert with this white hot chocolate and this is my dessert for tonight, the white hot chocolate. I'm just going to have this and I'm going to sleep, nothing else. जल्दी से एक टेस्ट टेस्ट करते हैं कि ये बना कैसा है. It's very yummy. बहुत tasty है ये. Anyway, white chocolate is my favorite and in this form, so it is bomb. It was amazing. I love this and I think that's about it for the white food challenge. I'm ending the challenge on a sweet note with something I love. White chocolate मेरी favorite है. Let me know आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा and if you like these sort of videos, these challenges. It was my first time. Please show some love एंड लेट मी नो अगर मैं कोई और कलर भी कर सकती हूँ फॉर फूड चैलेंजेस. आई हैव अ फ्यू ऑन माइंड बट लेट्स सी व्हाट यू गाइज आर थिंकिंग. प्लीज कमेंट डाउन बिलो कि ये वीडियो कैसा लगा एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप कौन से कलर पे देखना चाहते हैं. आई हैव अ bunch of travel videos coming up, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on my Instagram because now I'm going to make some travel and beauty reels on my Instagram as well. Follow me and stay tuned for my next video. This time I'm regular. I'm going to come back और videos के साथ, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.